Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account and confirming your region because gift cards are region locked. Once done, check your Microsoft Rewards points balance and decide the Amazon denomination you want. $5, $10, $25 are common. Next, navigate directly to the Rewards Redeem page and locate the Amazon e-gift card option. Don't pause, select it now so you lock in the correct region. This first move ensures the rest of the flow will present the right delivery and code options. Now choose the specific Amazon gift card amount and review the points to value conversion because you want to avoid surprises. Then decide whether to send it to yourself or another email. Make sure the recipient address is typed correctly. Click Redeem and follow the prompts to confirm. Microsoft Rewards will show a confirmation screen and often emails a redemption code or delivers it in your rewards history. If the code appears on screen, copy it immediately. Otherwise, watch your inbox and the rewards redemption history for delivery. To finish, sign into your Amazon account and open the Redeem gift card page or paste the code during checkout. Enter the Microsoft-issued code exactly as shown, then click Apply so the funds attach to your Amazon balance. Make sure the balance updates before purchasing. If not, refresh or reopen the Redeem page. If anything goes wrong, check region alignment, your spam folder for the email, and verify you copied the full code. If it still fails, request a resend from Microsoft Rewards support as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.